Scan to unlock SOVI and ace your tests. Sampling variability is the key to solving the statistics problem quickly. Let us break down how sample size directly impacts the spread of your distribution today. The standard deviation of a sample proportion depends on the sample size. As the sample size increases, the spread of the sampling distribution decreases, making extreme results less likely to occur. Since sample A has a smaller size of 200, it has more sampling variability than sample B. This wider spread means sample A is more likely to produce values far. Because sample A has higher variability, its distribution has thicker tails. Therefore, it is more likely to yield a sample proportion exceeding 90% compared to the more concentrated sample. Smart move! Scan the code, you can learn better with SOVI. Don't skip sample size or confuse spread. Remember, smaller n always means much higher variability.